Guys, I just finished installing my new computer in the Corsair 4000D tempered glass version in white. Now this is a budget build. I mean, compared to this computer down here, this one is the 5000X ARGB case in white. That computer is a beast. Now this one I had a much tighter budget, but it turned out just as good. This is a much cheaper version of that case and it's smaller too. This thing is a blast to work with. I love working in this case. By the way, all 6 of these RGB fans are actually GIM, PWM, ARGB fans, and they're 120mm size. You can get them in a 3-pack for an exceptional value. I'll leave them in the link below, but these are really nice fans. They're super budget friendly, especially with this whole entire setup. Even my cooler is very budget friendly, right? Everything about this is very budget friendly. Even though this is a super budget case, it still looks and feels like a premium case. As simple as that, I am impressed. The airflow is great. The build quality is good, the customization is nice, and the white just looks remarkably awesome, especially with the clear glass. You can see through the components as clear as day. Now, what I did is I wanted a computer case that was a little bit more compact, budget friendly, and had good airflow, because these are the parts that came out of a pre-built computer that had terrible airflow. So I wanted to put it into a case that had really good airflow. So it took me about an hour to take out all the components from my pre-built Zeus computer, and it took me about 2 hours to put it all in this new computer with all the wiring, the RGBs, everything. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. I'm a big fan of Corsair case. As you can see, the Corsair 5000X ARGB down there. I'm happy with that. But I'm actually happier with this one, the Corsair 4000 tempered glass edition, just because it's so much more affordable. The bang for the buck is like super high. Like, this is an exceptional value. Therefore, I totally recommend this Corsair 4000D tempered glass edition in white. I mean, just look at this. It looks fantastic for a budget case. It feels premium. I totally recommend this. Boom. Speaks for itself. Right there. Check it out. You gotta love that. Look at this case. Look at this case. I rest my case.